Welcome to this comprehensive review of Gooten, a leading print-on-demand dropshipping platform tailored for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Gooten allows you to create custom products ranging from apparel and accessories to home decor and more. With an extensive product catalog, the platform integrates smoothly with e-commerce giants like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, providing an automated order fulfillment process. Once you sign up, you'll find a clean interface designed to simplify product creation and order management. Gooten's pricing model is transparent, with no subscription fees, making it a cost-effective choice for small businesses. However, it's worth noting that the fulfillment times can vary depending on the product and supplier location, which may impact customer satisfaction. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. One of Gooten's standout features is its international production network, which ensures quicker shipping times to customers worldwide. The platform also provides tools to track performance metrics, giving you insights into your store's sales trends. However, Gooten's product mockup generator is less advanced compared to other competitors, which could limit your marketing options. If you're exploring print-on-demand solutions, Gooten is a great option to consider, especially for those starting out or looking to scale their e-commerce operations. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more e-commerce insights.